Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to unlock a Chevy Silverado with keys inside. First, ensure you are in a safe location and have adequate lighting. You will need a plastic wedge and a long reach tool. Gently insert the wedge into the top corner of the driver's side door frame. This creates a small gap, about 1/2 inch, allowing you to carefully insert your long reach tool. Be patient and avoid damaging the paint or weather stripping. Another common method involves a straightened wire coat hanger. Unbend the hanger, leaving a small hook at one end. Carefully slide this hook between the window and the weather stripping, aiming for the door's interior lock button or handle. With a bit of finesse, you can snag the lock mechanism and pull it upwards or towards you. This technique requires a steady hand and some patience to avoid scratching the paint. If DIY methods prove difficult, consider professional help. A certified locksmith possesses specialized tools, like air wedges and long-reach grabbers, to unlock your Silverado without causing damage. Many roadside assistance programs also offer lockout services. Additionally, if your Silverado has OnStar or a similar connected service, you might be able to unlock it remotely using a smartphone application. This is often the safest and quickest option. To avoid future lockouts, always carry a spare key or keep one in a safe, easily accessible place, perhaps with a trusted friend or family member. Before closing your door, take a quick moment to ensure your keys are not inside. A magnetic key holder, discreetly placed on the vehicle's undercarriage, can also be a lifesaver. Remember, never leave children or pets unattended in a locked vehicle, especially in warm weather.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.